Okay. So in continuing, we're going to remove the red and black wire. Oops. Zoom in there. Okay, we're going to remove the red and black wire, which is a little tricky. And let's see how we do on that.
It has a
special locking tab.
lock right there.
You point to that lock again.
It's in there, but I'm not going to lock it. But when we pull this apart, you'll see. There's the locking tab.
There you go.
That little guy right there. You can see. You have to push down on that. And that goes up here and becomes part of this black sensor, which comes with the new piece.
Point to that center again.
Right here. That black sensor. Side there.
Okay.
That's what tells it how cold the water is coming in. Alright, so we're going to leave this one on.
You still have to take the clip off on the side.
I don't think so, because this goes all the way around. This is our,
okay.
It's our sensor on how hot
Okay.
this is
What about
getting.
this sensor over here? We have to disconnect. Move your hand out of the way so I can. Okay. That hand. Thank you.
Okay.
This sensor right here.
I was just wondering if we needed to.
Probably has one of those locking tabs. Oh, got it.
Okay, there's the tab. That's what pushed down right there. Luckily, I have long, ugly fingernails. Okay. This has to come off, and this has to come off, and we.
Okay, what is that plastic tube?
That's your drain, or no, that's the gas. Not the overall gas, but it's the vacuum tube. Runs back over to here to shut it off. If there's a buildup of gas, it shuts the gas off.
Okay, let's take a little breather here and
Figure out how to get under there to take those screws off.
Okay, bear with us for a few seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we're going to work on the fan unit over here. You need to use a 9/32 socket to begin to get the two nuts loose. And from that point, then you can use a Phillips screwdriver to get in there if you have a small Phillips screwdriver to get in there.
Or, if possible,
Or if you got mighty fingers, that can be done too.
the sheet metal screws.
Got it?
There's only two screws on this. They're both on this side, and it appears to slide.
I'd like to take advantage of this moment after you unscrew that. Just pause for a second. Over here on the left, on the right, I'm sorry, point to the gaskets on the gas line. You want to be very, very careful of these gaskets. You want to make sure that they don't fall out and that they don't get gouged in any way at all, because that's where your gas is coming in, and you need to make sure that seal is as tight and clean as possible. Okay, so be very careful while doing this.
There's a screw underneath here that's holding in this tubing, and that needs to come out.
And that apparently is 9/32 as well.
No, it's just Phillips,
Oh, okay.
but I don't have any.
Oh, use channel locks. Hang on. I'm gonna pause a second here. All right, so we are now removing the plastic tube, and we got the screw loosened that holds that plate in.
By whatever means necessary. See up above where it's behind that hose. And I'm out of the hole now.
That's what we are removing, right there.
Okay. I'm gonna take that out just in case. And this should slide. It's got foam in it. It slides in that hole. No place for it to go. Yeah, it'll come out when the rest of it comes out, but it hasn't got nowhere to go. But it had to come off, so. So, next up is the water. Yay. And that will have to be done from the bottom.
Okay, let's take a little breather here. Yeah, that gave us a nice amount of